Hi guys, BRadTech here, and in this Java game development tutorial we are going to be looking at colliding with objects and removing them. So last tutorial we looked at how to access the world class and remove remove an object from an object, and this time we're going to be colliding with an object, and that is going to trigger the removal of another object. Let's go into, I've already added 3 woman objects right here, and each time I've just added a new woman at different coordinates, and what we're going to do is we're going to hit into them. So let's just close this, go into our player class, and let's go and create a method. So it's going to be a public boolean, as we're going to return true or false, and let's just call it has collided. And this is where we need to listen, because this is quite complex for beginners. So let's say actor, so we're looking for an actor, and let's just call it woman, equals get one object at offset, open brackets, and we're just typing naught and naught with a comma between. This one is the center of the, well, naught basically means the center of the object on the x coordinate, and the other one is the center on the y coordinate. If I put 5, then it would be, or 4, then it would be 4 down from the center on the y coordinate. And the next parameter we need to do is the class we're looking for, so woman dot class, put colon, and now we're just going to return woman is not equal to null. That basically means if we found it, then it's going to return the woman, otherwise it will return nothing. And in the act method, let's put if has collided, then we're going to access the world class, which we did last tutorial, but we go through it again. Switch window, then I always call it something like window, but I'm going to call it I'm just going to call it world this time, equals brackets window get world, and then we're going to go world dot remove object. Actually, you know what, let's just put it in here. So instead of boolean, sorry about this guys, so it's a void. Now I'm not going to return a value at all, we're going to void has collided, and if woman is not equal to null, then we're going to access the world and remove the object. So world.remove object woman, click compile. So now we're moving around. Oh, hang on, we need to put has collided here, because obviously otherwise it won't be called. So we're going to be moving our player around with the keys, and we're calling this has collided time every time, and when it detects that we're going to be trying to detect if we've hit a woman.class, and if it has, we're going to access the world and we're going to remove the woman. So now let's try this out. So we're moving around. Once I hit into her, she gets removed. There she is again, and she gets removed. So again, hit into them, remove, remove, remove. So it's only removing the object that we hit into it. Just go through it again. So we're moving around using our user input. We're calling the has collided method. It's checking, well, it's creating a variable object called woman, and it is equal to get one object at offset woman.class with the naught and naught variable x and y's. And if woman is not equal to null, that means if there is one there, it will access the world class and remove the object. So that is how to collide with objects and remove them. Thank you very much, BRadTech.